You can shut it off. That's enough for now, and then we'll do the food. It's our crew here, man. It's Quinn the Eskimo. It's my family, my son and grandson over there. Son-in-law there. Got some stuff here. About 10 inches thick. It's been kind of warm, so that's not that thick, but that's fine, you know. But you're in a beautiful spot. There you go, man. Everything's fine. So, yeah, we're out there ice fishing. This is a spot. We caught some big salmon and trout here before, and this big pickerel. So, we'll see how it goes today. It's a gorgeous day. A little bit of a breeze, not bad. It's about 22 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not. It's not cold. It's a little breeze here, but not bad at all. So, yeah, man, we're doing fine. Yeah, we're gonna do some cooking out here too. Got the cooking stuff right over there. Your shadow's right in the hole. Fish down there. They're not biting. What's the name of this thing?
Deeper Pro.
Deeper Pro.
Deeper is the name of the sonar, but there's different series like Pro and non-Pro.
There you go, man. There you go. There she is. Not biting though. You still feel it? You still feel it? Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up, buddy. Salmon. Look at the salmon you got. Holy crap. Holy cow. Look at the salmon we got there.
Oh my God.
Connor's first fish, ice fishing. What do you think, Connor?
Wow.
Holy mackerel.
Look
Look at this. Beautiful salmon. If you fell in, little beer, brats, ice fishing. Officially classified as KP Cup Tuesday. There you go. We got some more brats we're going to cook up in there too. So, that's it, man.
I think what I'm going to do,
We're doing fine.
put this on this.
Yeah. See what happens to the home.
Yeah.
KP Cup is fine though. I don't know what that sound is.
Did you see the fish? It's okay. You can eat it.
He's a little guy. Yeah. Oh, you got the
there we
fish,
go.
man. You got the fish.
You got the fish.
Now he's going to go for the other stuff.
Hopefully.
The guts. There he goes. Oh, yeah. He's scoffing it up now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to throw another one out there.
No, he's eating. Let him eat that stuff up, man.